In this lecture, we will discuss how to insert a new node in the circular linked list after a given node. So now let's assume a linked list. So this is the given circular linked list. So now if we want to insert this new node 30 after 20, then what we need to do? We need to shift the pointers. First thing we will traverse this linked list to find the key. Keyನ 20 ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we will traverse this linked list and we'll find out the key. After finding the key, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We will copy this pointer. That is, let's assume 20 as temp. Okay. So this is new node. So new node. Next, it will have the value of temp next. Correct. So now 30 is also pointing to 40. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We will just make this 20 to point to 30. That is, temp next is equal to new node. So now 20 is not pointing to 40, instead it is pointing to 30. So ivaga 30 has been successfully inserted between 20 and 40. So this is the simple logic. So program bardi nodana. So first we will take the pointers, struct node, new node, and temp. And after that, first we will check whether there is any nodes in the linked list or not. ಯಾವುದು nodes ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is no such node means we can't insert the new node. So that's why we will check first if head is equal to null. If head is equal to null, linked list exist ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. So we will just print list is empty. And then we will stop here. So we will give the return statement. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We need to traverse the given circular linked list. Traversal ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that's why what we will do? We will take another pointer, that is temp. ಈ temp ನ we will make it point to the first node. So that is temp equals to head. So ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we will take a do while loop. So that is do and end ಆಗದೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? While condition we will give it as while temp is not equal to head. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ end ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ we don't have null condition here. So one complete loop ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ we need to stop the iteration. So here within this do while loop ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? First we will check whether the key is existing or not. ಯಾವ ನೋಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೋಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So for that purpose what we'll take here, we'll take if temp data, if it is equal to key. If this is true, aವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ after that key or after that node we need to insert the data. That is the new node. So what we'll do? New node ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ and we will take the memory for that through dynamic memory allocation. Okay. So after that we will take the data as input, that is printf ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ and here we will say enter data to be inserted. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we will take the scanf statement, %d, and data insert ಆಗಿದ್ದು it should be stored in new node data. So after this we will shift the pointers. So pointers shift ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ see, this is the temp node and after temp we have another node and this is the new node. Correct. So now first ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We will make this new node to point to this particular node. Let's assume this as A. New node na we need to make it as point to the A, node A. So what we'll say? New node next. So node A ಏನಿದೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು address, it is stored in temp. Temp's next has the address of A. So that's why we'll take it as temp next. And after that, we will make this temp to point to the new node. So now new node is pointing to A. ಸೊ ಈ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ನಾವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ next equals to new node. So now the node has been successfully inserted. So here we will just give the return statement. So after successfully inserting, the control will come out of the do while loop. So this particular set of lines, new node tagondu inserting the node, that will happen only when the key is found. Key sikkilla andre it will go till the end. Temp next vargu move ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So we will take here, if this is true, if temp data is found, if ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಟೆಂಪ್ ಶುಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಟೆಂಪ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಂಪ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಡೂ ವೈಲ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್. ಸೊ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಸಿಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೀ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಲೂಪ್ ಶುಡ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ that will take here. So the ending condition is while temp not equal to head. See now, initially this is the given linked list, okay? So after 20, we need to insert 25, node 25 anta assume ಮಾಡಿ. Now see, first iteration alli obviously it will read 10. So that's why what happens, if temp data equals to key check ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Temp is pointing to 10 initially. So yes, data is not equal to key. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will move to the next statement after if, that is temp equals to temp next. So now this is shifted to the next node. Next node ಗೆ move ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ it will check with the condition, that is while temp not equal to head. ಈ condition check ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Temp not equal to head ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, it is not equal to head. So what happens, again it will come to if and data check ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Let's assume the data is 20. So now data has been found. Key ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. So now if statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು instructions execute ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that's why a new node will be created and data 25 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, that will be inserted in the data part, and after that we will make the pointers to shift. That is new node next, this is made point to 30 and temp next is made point to the node 25. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ the loop will be broken. If not, let's assume the data given as key as 35 ಅಂತ assume ಮಾಡಿ. So now second node read ಆದಾಗ್ಲೂನು the data is not found. Again temp will move to the next node. So now temp is at 30. Again it will check the while condition. Temp not equal to head. Yes, it is not equal to head. ಮತ್ತೆ data check ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ if it is key. Yes, this is not the key. So again it will go for temp equals to temp next. Now the temp next is pointing to head node. So while temp not equal to head, this becomes false. So it false ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದಾಗ complete do while loop break ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So either this key should be found and loop break ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ key ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will traverse till the head node. ವಾಪಸ್ ಅದು header node ಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ traversal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and then it will stop. So after this we will just say that here we will take printf statement, printf node not found. If statement in the execute agi, that is the node has been found andre, here just it will come out of the do while loop. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ complete ಏನ್ ನಾವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ to insert after the given node, ಆ complete function end ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ do while loop false ಆಗಿ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂದಾಗ only then it will print this node not found. So now let's look into the program. void insert after node ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. Here we are passing the parameters key and the value. Key ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನೋಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. And in case of value, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Here we have temp and new node. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ first we are checking whether the list is empty or not. That is head equals to null ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. If the list is empty, it will just come out. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ temp equals to head, this will be made and then do while loop start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here we will check whether temp data is equal to key. If this is true, ಆವಾಗ the data new node will be successfully inserted. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ just it will move on to the next node till it reaches the header node again. And at the end, if the node has not found, the node with the value has not been found in the print ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So program run ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. So this is the program. Create function ಮತ್ತೆ display function include ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. And since we are passing the arguments here before calling the function, main function ಒಳಗಡೆ you need to take the input for key. You can see here I have said print the key after which the new value should be inserted and key input ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದೀವಿ. And also ಯಾವ value insert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ input ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. And after that we are calling the function insert after node function ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. And we are passing the values. key input ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ value ಏನ್ insert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಅದೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. So number of nodes ಕೇಳ್ತಿದೆ. Let's give it as 3. So original linked list is this 2, 3, 5. So enter the key after which the new value should be inserted. Let's give it as 3. And the value to be inserted, let's give it as 4. See new value insert ಆಗಿದೆ. After 3 we have 4. So that's it for the video. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Ved IQ Classes.